Welcome to day 20 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we have another short practice focused on flexibility. Let's get started in cross-legged position. Begin to roll your shoulders, warming them up in one direction and then another direction, a couple of big circles. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands behind you with fingertips pointing in the direction of your legs. With inhale, lift your chest. We are looking for a stretch on the front of your shoulders and chest. See if you need to move your hands further away or closer to feel the stretch. Keep breathing deeply into your chest, lifting it higher with each inhale. One more big breath in. Breathe out, release. Place your feet on the mat distance apart, and begin to drop your knees side to side, warming up the hip joints. Now place your left shin parallel to the front of the mat. Flex your feet. Position your legs in a 90-degree angle. Rotate your torso to the front leg. Inhale to lengthen your spine. With exhale, bend forward to find the stretch on the outer hip of the front leg. You can stay up on your hands if that's enough, or lower down to your forearms. Maybe even relax your forehead down to the mat. Breathe here. Slowly come up and turn to the other side. Legs in 90-degree angle, feet flexed. Turn your torso to the front shin. Lengthen as you inhale. Bend forward with exhale. Keep breathing deeply. Visualize sending your breath to the area where you feel the stretch. Relaxing a bit more with each exhale. Slowly come up. Turn to face the front of your mat. Keep your left leg straight. Bend your right leg and place the foot outside of the left thigh, flat on the mat. Hug your right thigh with the opposite arm close to the chest. With inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right. Think of lengthening your spine with each inhale. Twisting a little bit more with exhale. One last inhale here, lengthen. Exhale, twist a little bit more. With inhale, come back to center, switch legs. Place your left foot outside of your right thigh. Hugging your left leg with the right arm. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the left. Hugging your left leg closer to your chest to feel the stretch on the outer hip. And twist a little bit more on each exhale. One last round of breath here. And come back to center. Straighten your legs, flex your feet, pulling your toes towards you. Inhale to reach your arms up, lengthen through the upper body. Exhale, bend forward to your legs, keeping your spine straight. Reach forward with your chest. You can hold your ankles, feet, shins, or use a yoga strap here. Keep your breath slow and stable. Keep lengthening with inhale. Bending forward with exhale, even if it's just a little movement. One last big inhale here. Slow exhale. And with inhale, come up. Lay down on your back. Bend your knees, place your feet hip distance apart, close to your seat bones. Press down through your feet to lift your hips into bridge pose. Stay here, continue to breathe, and lift your hips a bit higher with each inhale. You might feel a little stretch on the front of the legs, on your hip flexors here. Option to interlace your fingers behind your back or keep them open. One last time, breathe in here. Breathe out, release your hips down to the mat. Hug your knees to your chest. Press your shins down. Gently rock side to side, releasing the tension from your lower back. Then hold your ankles, your big toes or outsides of your feet for happy baby. Your lower back stays on the mat. Gently press your feet down, trying to bring your knees closer to your elbows. You can also rock side to side here, massaging the lower back, or stay still if that feels better. Slowly release your feet, straighten your left leg on the mat, hug your right knee closer to the chest. Then straighten your right leg. You can hold behind your thigh, hold your big toe, or use a yoga strap around your foot and gently pull your leg closer. If you are holding behind your thigh, make sure you flex your foot and pull your toes towards your body so that you feel more stretch and engagement on the back of the leg. You can also bend your left leg if that feels better, or keep it straight on the mat. One more inhale here. With exhale, start lowering your leg to the right until you feel some stretch on the inner thighs. Hold there. And with your next inhale, bring your leg back to center. Release your right foot, straightening the leg on the mat or keeping it bent. Hug your left knee close to your chest for a moment. Then straighten your left leg and find the place where you can comfortably hold that leg. Maybe behind the thigh, behind the shin, holding your ankle or big toe, or use the yoga strap. You should feel a nice stretch on your hamstrings on the back of the leg. A couple more deep breaths here. And then slowly move your leg to the left, lowering it to the point where you feel the stretch on the inner thighs. And then bring your leg back to center. Lower it down to the ground. Reach your arms up, interlace your fingers. With inhale, stretch your hands and toes into opposite direction. Big full body stretch. And exhale, release. Bend your knees, roll over to the side, and slowly come up to seated position. I hope you are feeling better after this stretch. Thank you for practicing with me. See you tomorrow.